Hello guys, this is some, footage captured straight from the Sony. Here's my sister playing in the snow. I'm just recording this, the purpose is to show you guys what it looks like here. I'm in New York, usually I live in California, but I'm spending the break here, and there's snow. I'm not wearing gloves. I got some, other footage that I recorded in my house, so I'm gonna go right to that. Actually, to be honest, not every camcorder is perfect. The more expensive ones go from thousands of dollars, but this one is really cheap, $2.99, and I think it still works perfectly. So I'm going to be using this in my future YouTube videos.
If you could change one thing about it, what would it be?
If I could change one thing about it, what would it be? Probably the, actually, I would like to have an aux jack. I might want to get, a lavalier microphone. A lavalier microphone is a microphone you can attach to your subject. Like, look right here for a minute. You can attach a lavalier microphone to, their shirt, and if you attach it to their shirt, you can get the microphone sounds much improved. You can hear their voice much more clearly.